Okay, so linking text frames. Okay, so let's say you're doing a poster or a document here, and you have a paragraph text here. If you notice, once I click on this first paragraph, or actually if I click on the second one too, you can see there's an arrow, or there's like a string that joins these two paragraph text box. So that means to say these two paragraph text box are linked to each other, right? So okay, so anyway, what I'll do, I'm just gonna delete this, and I'm gonna delete this too. Okay, now okay, so I'm ready to create paragraphs. So I click on my text tool and I create paragraph. Okay, that's my first paragraph here. So I click and then I Control V to paste my text. Now I click on the part, the paragraph text, and I notice that there's like an arrow going down. That means to say this one is an overflow of the text. So if I stretch this down, I still have text in that box, and it ends here. And if you notice, since I stretch it here, there's no visible arrow in this box here, means to say that's the last word or the last character in the paragraph. Okay, so I'll shrink it down like that. Okay, now in here, in order to make the text overflow and go to the next paragraph text box, I have to create another text box here. So I click on my text tool and create another paragraph or box here, like that. Okay, and so that's empty. So in order to link these two, okay, so that the overflow will go to this text box, so I click on the second one that I did, hold down Shift and click on the first one, and then I go to text and I go to paragraph text frame and I click on link. Now those are linked together, and if you notice that if I click on this paragraph text here, it doesn't show an arrow going down. It means to say it doesn't overflow. Okay, so it links and it goes here to the second box that I did. Okay, and you notice that there's the arrow joining. There's a string that joins these two. Okay, now this one I can shrink this down like this. Okay, and I can put some other graphics here. Okay, so that's linking to paragraph text. Let's say you don't want to link them, so you want to unlink them. So I click on this one and then I hold down Shift and click on this. Okay, those two paragraph text, and I go to text, paragraph text frame, and I click on unlink. Okay, so it's already unlinked, so this one is a separate paragraph, like, you know, it's a unique paragraph. It's not linked together. So even though I make this smaller, see, it doesn't overflow and it doesn't go to this paragraph here because it's already unlinked. Okay.